Hi viewers, I am going to do the lunchbox preparation for school children. I am going to make a pancake first. To prepare the pancake, which I am going to show you now, I will use 1 egg. Along with that, I am going to add 2 dessert spoons of flour I have taken. Mix it nicely. We need a little baking powder, just a pinch of baking powder for this, and a little salt we need. Thereafter, mix it well. This is the mixture that I have made it. I don't want this to be too thick or too watery. That's the texture that we need. Now see this texture pancake, which I am going to make it a little bigger. If you want a little more bigger also we can use. So quickly keep prawns if you want, or a piece of chicken if you like, you can use, right? Before the top gets baked, you can have this. And if the children are very keen and they like to have this type of preparation, we can have a little bit of chili pieces. Do not allow this to over baked, or see, just once and put it back. Never mind, that's enough. This is the way we make. Same way which I am going to do now, another one, that is sweet. We can have all these quickly put all these prawn. We use prawns for the first one. Now I am using cashew nuts, sultanas, cherries. We can use for all these, and a little bit of sugar. We can have with sugar. If you don't want sugar, we can have even a little bit of jaggery. Jaggery is also very tasty, so we can have a little jaggery also. It has got cooked nicely, we can have it like that. That's the different preparation that I have given you. That is, if you like, you can have it with savory or with sweet. Now I have got the green gram. Green gram is very good, but you have to see how you are going to use for children. It should be done while it is hot, warm, so that you can nicely mash this up. After mashing this, I can use 1 dessert spoon of powdered milk. Mix it nicely. After mixing this nicely, I am going to divide this into 2, and for one I am going to put sugar, one I am going to use the jaggery. Now I have used vanilla essence. Now you know what I am going to do. I am going to divide this into 2. I'll divide this into 2. Sugar for one and jaggery for the other one. Cashew nuts for both. Sultanas for both. Healthy sultanas, cashew nuts, good for children. You can have it like that. Mix it well, nicely. We need to make it into balls like. See, make it into small balls. This is with jaggery and that is with sugar. The color is also changing, you can see. Lunchbox is ready and the food is also ready. Now we will see how I am going to pack it into the box, right? We have the savory one into this. I will use the savory one. Correct size we have got. And And this is the sweet one, which we have it with a little sugar or with jaggery, we can have it. Now we need the jaggery one. I will use the jaggery for the other one. That is savory and jaggery. And here we have the sugary one. And see, grapes. Don't give more than 5 also, because they become constipated. And if you like, you can give them a small fruit salad, which is really nice and tasty, so that you can try out this also. Now this is ready, and what am I going to do? After I finish, I am going to cover this, right, and give the children to take to school. So what do you think about it? It's so nice, easy. I have done 2 of each, but you can have 3 also. If you want, you can give 3 for each person. I hope you like this preparation, because for the lunch box for small children to take to school. I said small children, no, not only small children, even big children also can have it, but more preparation you can have it, but same way you could do. And then one day if I put prawns, another day different thing. Now you will get more ideas. When I did this, I am surely think that you will get more and more ideas. Please try it out and see, and you will be amazed that it's so easy, and the children will also like the way it's been prepared. In some schools, they are very particular of what they bring also. So try it out and see, and you will be really happy about it. Thank you very much for watching.